Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you've had a great day. I hope you had an even better Thanksgiving break. I'm sure you're probably really tired by now because coming back from a break is always kind of difficult, especially when you're used to just sleeping whenever you want and how much ever you want and not having to go to school for 8 hours. So thank you for being here today. And let's talk about going forward, what everything's going to look like. So I'm glad to be here with you. This is my makeshift classroom. I've got my whiteboard down there, and I've got my desk area here, and you're on my laptop right now. So, yeah, okay, so let's talk about some important stuff. First of all, even though I'm going to Skype in every day, I will have my videos of my lessons ahead of time that Mr. Ware is going to show you during class. So instead of me live instructing you, since there are so many variables that could mess that up, be it something on your end, a fire drill, internet issue, whatever, or something on my end where Harrison is being needy about something, it's better if I do those kind of ahead of time in a controlled environment that he's just going to show you, and you'll fill out your notes as you watch the video. Then I will Skype in live to answer any questions you may have about the notes, or you may have about the practice questions or the homework assignment that's going to go along with it. For the most part, though, it's just going to be a very general classroom-based discussion. If you need to communicate with me individually, it's so important if you make use of your email address. That's how I intend on communicating with you if we have any issues such as grade issues, attendance issues, and then your understanding of concepts to make sure that you're feeling prepared for upcoming tests and things like that. So if you don't use your GP email, please make it a point to try opening it, make sure you can log in and everything, and actually check that email and look for emails from me as I might be reaching out to you. The other thing is this video, all the videos that you're going to see are going to be on my website. So especially if you're ever absent, instead of you having the notes in the homework tray, you're going to need to go watch the video that's associated with those notes that you missed and go ahead and fill everything out, or you can get it from up here. Either way, everything that I will be shown in class and everything that you're going to be assigned, you can find on my webpage. To get to that, you can go to the GP High School website. At the top, there's a staff directory button. If you click that, my name will be in the list. It's in alphabetical order. And then there's a link that says Ali Schwanier Boards. Click on that. It'll take you to my page. Everything that pertains to geometry will have a little geometry tag above it. And then the pre-cal stuff, obviously, you can just ignore that. So that's how you can access everything. Let's talk about grades for a second. Everything that I've had for you is 100% updated in Skyward. So the first thing I need you to do is check Skyward on your end. Make sure that everything that you see reflects what you believe you should have. I'm human and I make mistakes, or there could have been a miscommunication in the hustle and bustle of me cleaning up my classroom, or either one of us being absent. So just make sure your grade looks correct. Going forward with grades, some of yours are not looking so hot right now. So it's so important that every homework assignment that I give you, that you actually complete. Okay, you will have plenty of time to work on homework in class like you usually do. And if not, if that's an issue, then we need to talk about that in making this method of instruction work. But you should have time to work on stuff in class. And if not, you can finish it at home. It won't be difficult. I'm giving assignments based on the fact that I am not directly there with you. So they're not going to be as long or drawn out as they may be if I were there. So make sure you complete those. That way, those of you that aren't getting good grades because your homework grade's low, that boosts that. And those of you that are doing fine in that category, you maintain the grade that you have. Going forward with tests, if that's why your grade isn't great, make sure that we study before that next test, that you put in the work that you need to be prepared for that test. Okay, so speaking of, let's talk about important dates. Your first test is this Thursday, November 30th already. So it covers the triangle congruence that we started learning before Thanksgiving that we're going to finish up today and over the next few days and test on Thursday. Then we will start our next unit, and next Friday, December the 8th, you will have another test on triangle similarity. So different from congruence, but similar, pun kind of intended. So you'll have that test then. Those are going to be your only two tests for the next 3 weeks, and then we have Christmas break for 2 weeks. And then when we get back from Christmas break, we will have semester exams. So as soon as I get more information about the semester exam schedule, as well as exemptions, I will get that information out to you. For now, just know that you have that test coming up in a few days. You have another test next Friday, and all of these dates will continue to be updated. I'm going to have a calendar posted on my webpage that you can access at any time if you ever need to know of upcoming dates of important events like that. So I think that's all I have for now. Again, I'm excited about this. This is really interesting and kind of cool, and I think it's going to work really well if we both just put our minds to it and work really hard on both ends, even through the virtual internet this is happening. So next you will go ahead and we're going to watch a video to recap what we learned before Thanksgiving, and then learn our new topic today, which is something called CPCTC. Say that 3 times fast. It's a tongue twister. See you.